Dharmaseed.com.
Next, we are going to study about terminating and non-terminating decimals. Terminating and non-terminating. Terminating means after one or two or three places, the decimal form will stop. Non-terminating means the decimal form will not stop for any place of decimal. After any place of decimal, it will continue. That is called non-terminating. We are going to check. (375) divided by 10, which is equal to 37.5. The decimal form is stopping or terminating after one place, and 375 by 100, which is equal to 3.75. Here also, after two places, the decimal form is stopping, and 375 by 1000 means 0.375. Here also it is stopping after three places of decimal. Now we can find by dividing 67 by 2. If we are dividing 67 by 2, we will get the decimal form as 67 by 2 is equal to 3 2s are 6, again 3 2s are 6, 1. Giving decimal, it is 33.5. Here also, after one place of decimal, it is stopping. So, these are examples for terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. One more example. (96 by 5). It is 19.2. When we are dividing 96 by 5, we are getting the quotient as 19.2. These are examples for terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. But find the value of 10 by 3. 10 by 3, which is equal to, we are dividing 10 by 3, 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9, 3 3 3, it is continuing. 10 divided by 3 is equal to 3.33333, etc., etc., etc. It is repeating. We can write it in a simplest form, that is 3.3 dash or bar, 3.3 bar, or another notation is 3.3 dot. These two things means the digit after decimal, the digit 3 is repeating. After decimal, one digit is repeating, that is 3 is repeating. So, it is called a non-terminating decimal. Again, (10 divided by 7). You may divide 10 by 7. The result is the result we are getting 1.42857. Again, it will repeat in the same order. We can write it as etc., etc. 10 by 7 is equal to 1 point something, 1.42857, 42857. But 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. 142857. Again, these digits are repeating, 142857. So, 1 by 7 can be written as 0.142857 the whole bar, or another representation 0.142857 1.7. That means after the decimal, the 6 places 6 digits are repeating 142857, 142857. It is repeating in a particular order. The order of the repetition is 0.142857, again 142857. It is repeating in a particular order, therefore it is called non-terminating and recurring decimal. Non-terminating but recurring decimal. Non-terminating but recurring decimal. Then how will you check without finding the division? A fraction is, the decimal form of a fraction is terminating or non-terminating. Terminating or non-terminating. That we have to find out. If the prime factorization of the denominator of a fraction, if the prime factorization of the denominator if the prime factorization of the denominator of a fraction contains the prime 2, contains only the prime 2 or only the prime 5, or both the primes 2 and 5, or both the primes 2 and 5. The decimal expansion or the decimal form will be terminating. The decimal expansion will be terminating. That is, when we are taking the denominator and finding the prime factorization, then it will contain only 2. Then the decimal form will be, decimal expansion will be terminating. Also, at the same time, if the prime factorization of the denominator contains only the prime 5, then that decimal form also will be terminating. And in another case, if the prime factorization of the denominator contains both 2 and 5, then also the decimal form will be, or decimal expansion will be terminating. If there exists any other prime other than 2 and 5, the decimal form will be non-terminating. For example, if the prime factorization of the decimal of the prime factorization of the denominator contains the prime 3, 7, 11, etc., the decimal form or the decimal expansion will be non-terminating. If the prime factorization, if the prime factorization of the denominator of a fraction contains any other prime than 2 and 5, the decimal expansion will be non-terminating. The decimal expansion will be non-terminating. This is the rule of finding a fraction without actual division. Is it terminating or non-terminating? If the prime factorization of the denominator contains only 2 or only the prime 5 or both the primes 2 and 5, the decimal expansion will be terminating. If the prime factorization of the denominator of a fraction contains any other prime than 2 and 5, the decimal expansion will be non-terminating. That is, the decimal form will be continuing infinitely. They will not end. That is called non-terminating decimals. If the continuation is in a particular order, it is called a recurring decimal also. If the continuation is without any order, it is called non-recurring also. Now, we have to check whether the given fraction is terminating or non-terminating. Okay.